Hello everyone. Welcome to Next Gen Tech Hub. Today I have decided to create a playlist on this domain of engineering. I truly believe this domain is one of the toughest domain in engineering, and also it's very interesting. You will get to know about it. I will study each and every concept. I will teach you each and every concept in detail. Okay, so whenever the robot comes, this idea, the word robot comes in your mind, you must have visualized this kind of picture, right? So actually, this is a humanoid robot, and we will not discuss much about this. Our focus is to study properly these industrial manipulators. These robots are called industrial manipulators. These robots actually are used in industries, and these are also called cobots or collaborative robots. These robots are of 6 degrees of freedom. Now, what is 6 degrees of freedom? How I am calculating the degrees of freedom, I will teach you whenever I will start the basics of robotics. So, this is actually the UR5 robot, and this is ABBIRB 6600. ABB is a robot manufacturing company. Okay, so before going to the main topic, you should know that why we need to study robotics. Let me tell you one thing that these collaborative robots are widely used in each and every sectors all over the world. These are used in manufacturing sectors, assembly sectors, healthcare and surgery. These are called surgical robots, where because nowadays robots are also performing doing the surgery, assisting the doctors in the hospitals. So in the operation theater. So robots are used in healthcare and surgery also, in warehouse, logistics, military and defense, exploration, home automation. This is one of my favorite topic, home automation. Education, entertainment, customer service, construction. Sorry, there is a typing mistake. Construction and agriculture. Okay, and if you know a detail about these topics, that how a robot is useful in military or defense, in exploration, in home automation, you can Google it. You can go through ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT also. There are so many AIs nowadays in WhatsApp called Meta AI. You can also ask there also that how robots are used in education, entertainment, customer service. So you will get a clear concept of it. Okay. Now let me tell you the syllabus or the contents of this playlist. If you want, you can take a note of it. Okay. So basic is the introduction of robotics. This is nothing. This is not at all hard, and then special descriptions and transformations, and this will actually include the DH matrix of robotics. DH matrix is used to calculate the position of the uh, end effector. Now, what is an end effector? I will tell you. So, the position of the end effector, uh, the angles of the joints, then kinematics of robotics, inverse kinematics, Jacobians, dynamics of robot, trajectory generation, manipulator mechanism design, linear control of manipulators and non-linear control of manipulators. So let me tell you that these two module 9 and 10, these two chapters or two modules, there is a prerequisite of these two modules, and that is control system. And this subject is mainly uh, studied by the students of electronics or electrical. Actually, this subject, this the in electrical domain, this subject is included mainly. and the force control of manipulators. Sorry, these three subjects. And lastly, robot programming and languages. And for to study this last module, you must have the knowledge of Python and robot operating system. That's all. Now, the that I told you that kinematics of a robot and inverse kinematics we will study. So let me give you a brief idea in very short time. Uh, Imagine that this is a three-link robot. Generally, in industries, everywhere six-link robots are used. But here to make you understand the topic, I will show you the example of a three-link robot. This is called the end effector of the robot. This is link 1, this is link 2, and this is link 3. And this is theta 1, the angle between link 1 and link 2, and this is theta 2, the angle between link 2 and link 3. Just take a look, have a look that this theta 1 and theta 2 continuously it will vary. Whenever this end effector will move, this theta 1 and theta 2 will vary, but the length of the links L1, L2, L3 will remain same. Now, with kinematics of robot, with the help of kinematics, we will find out these L1, L2 and the theta 1, theta 2 values. L1, L2, L3 it might be given. We need to find the theta 1 and theta 2 and the position of the end effector. And with inverse kinematics, this position of the end effector will be given. We need to find theta 1 and theta 2. Okay. So that's a very little introduction about this topic. I will teach you the basics and all the topics of this subject in detail and very minutely. And this will be beneficial for the students of BTech and as well as MTech. Okay. And if anyone, any PhD scholar is doing his research on this particular domain, he or she may refer this playlist. So that's all for today. Thank you so much. Good night.